So we're going to use Teams to host a virtual office hours for our students. I'm just going to use my class sandbox here. I'm just going to click on it, and I can use any channel that is not a private channel in order to do this. I'm going to go ahead and click Meet Now. Any of my students that are on this team can go ahead and jump into this Meet Now. On the right hand side, I see my participants, and then we have show conversations. And this is going to be the meeting chat. And so this is where the students are going to be able to interact with you. In order for them to be able to do that, they have to have permissions in the team to be able to post. And so please make sure your channel has those permissions. And we'll look at those in just a second. And then they also need to be unmuted. You can also record this meeting, and I have another video that'll show you guys how to record and then manage that recording. So I'm going to go ahead and hang up on my Meet Now. We're going to go to the channel, and we are going to manage this channel. Under permissions, anyone can post messages, and so that's what needs to be checked so that they can post. And that way students will be able to post in there. And then we need to make sure our students are unmuted. So I click on the three dots here and go Manage Team. Expand the number of users, and I just make sure right now they're muted. They can't post. I'm going to unmute them, and that's going to allow them to post. So hopefully that helps you guys with your virtual office hours. You're going to need to reach out to your students and let them know when you're going to be on there, but you can just do the Meet Now, and at any time they can just join if they have a question, and then you can set up whatever protocols you want. For my classes, I'm going to ask that the students type their questions in rather than unmute, especially if I have a lot of students in there, because then that could get kind of confusing with a whole bunch of people talking at one time. When you're doing your Meet Now, there is an option on the right hand side. It would be over here on this right hand side during the Meet Now to mute all members. They can still unmute themselves, but you can hit that and it just mutes everyone but you real quick. So there you go. That's how we're going to do some virtual office hours.